So now let's see how we can utilize the Smart Drawing tool inside a Photopea. So over here, if I were to go around onto the left hand side, then what you can do is you can actually go around and work around with the Smart Drawing tool, which is under the brush, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around onto the Smart Drawing tool right here, you get a regular pen right here. But if I were to go around and draw something like an oval right here, just like this, then it detects that I'm trying to make an oval and then makes an oval just like that. But this is more like a circle, as you can see right here. Let's just go around over here and make more of an oval right here, just like this. And it detects that I am trying to make an oval. Similarly, I can go around and make it like this in another angle. Then it matches it out accordingly. You can go around and change around the shape recognition level if it is not working for you. And you can also work around with the smoothing level. And you can go around, change around the point size right here, just like this, and the type of line as well. And you can go ahead and customize it out according to how you want as well, just like this as well. So let's just go around over here, customize this out around over here. And then if I were to go around and add it, then this is what you have, as you can see. You can also go ahead and make, let's say, for example, a square right here, just like this. And that is what you have. You can also go around, make a rectangle, as you can see, just like this. You can go ahead and make a triangle as well, just like this. So let's just go around and try to make it straight right here. And then you got the triangle right here. So you can similarly go around right here and make a parallelogram right here, just like this as well. And then it simply creates out a parallelogram right here. You can go around, make a straight line right here as well, just like this. Let's just go around and try making other shapes right here, just like this. And then what happens is that it simply creates straight lines out of it right here if it does not recognize the shapes. So let's just go around right here and try to make this shape particularly right here, and you can see that it actually zones it out and makes it into a shape right here, just like this. And these are enclosed shapes, so you can go ahead right here and then fill it out. Let's say, for example, I can go around over here and fill it out with a color right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with Smart Drawing tool inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.